Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to share your Figma files so that others can edit them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to share an editable Figma file in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to invite others, set the right permissions, and confidently collaborate without worrying about mistakes. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up the Figma file you want to share. Take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Share button up there. It might be a bit small, but it's that friendly icon that looks like an arrow pointing up out of a square. Go ahead and give that a click. This is your gateway to connecting with your teammates or clients, and it's what makes Figma so powerful for collaboration. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where the magic happens. Right at the top, you'll notice a field where you can type in someone's email address or their name if they're already in your organization. It's super handy for keeping your workflow smooth and organized. Just start typing. Figma will even suggest people for you, which is really helpful if you're working within a team. Once you've entered the right email addresses, you'll see an invite button pop up. Click that and those people will get an invitation email straight to their inbox. But don't stop here. In Figma, you have full control over what each person can do with your file. Right next to each person's name, there's a drop-down where you can choose between Can Edit and Can View. If you want them to be able to make changes, maybe you're working together on a design or you want to let a client leave feedback directly, select Can Edit. If you just want them to take a look without making any changes, choose Can View. Take a moment here. Think about the level of access your collaborators actually need. It's always better to give editing access only when necessary, just to keep your design safe from accidental changes. Now, let's say you want to share the file with someone who's not on your team, or maybe you want to make it really easy for anyone with the link to access it. Still, in that same share window, look for the section labeled Who has access. Click there, and you'll get a list of sharing options. Choose anyone with the link, and then decide whether they can edit or just view. Again, these permissions are important for keeping control. Once you've set the permissions you want, look for the Copy Link button. Give it a click. It will copy the sharing link to your clipboard. All you have to do now is send that link to whoever needs it, maybe in an email or a quick chat message. It's really that easy. In just a few clicks, you're opening up your design for real-time collaboration. And that's it. You've just learned how to share a Figma file, give the right people editing privileges, and even how to open it up for wider access, all using the most up-to-date tools in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. And of course, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.